Chapter 4 Briefs Part 2 Manufactured Homes. Manufactured Home Act became effective in 1978. So highlight 1978. Purpose is to set up a method for central registration, similar to the torrent system. So highlight purpose is central registration. Transfer. Manufactured Home Registry, Victoria, and note in the Land Title Office. So where do you register? In Victoria.
Victoria Home
Registrar, once satisfied all documents are legally in order, register the interest claimed. So where do you register? In Victoria.
Victoria.
So basically register if your all documents are complete. Registration. These are the differences from the torrent system of a registration. Number 1, no certificate of title. Number 2, no indefeasibility. Number 3, no assurance fund. 4, in some cases registration is a mandatory. Mandatory. Registration can take 2 to 4 days a process. 2 to 4 days. So how many days takes? 2 to 4 days. Decal number is for lifetime of home. For how long? For lifetime. Basically, जितना अपनी car plate. Note: failure to register has same effect as under the Land Title Act. Third parties are not affected by unregistered documents. Mandatory registration. Home located on land that did not belong to the owner as of April 1978. When are you registered? When you must register? When the house is there, right? On the land that did not belong to the owner. Home located on land that did not belong to the owner, right? Basically tenant is living there, right? When? As of April 1st, 1978. Home was or is owned by a dealer, highlight dealer, or manufacturer. All new home would have to be registered. Home is to be sold, highlight sold. If you sell the home, it must be registered, right? Home is subject to a security interest if you keeping it as a security, right? Home is to be moved if you move. So when you need dealer, sold, security, right? And a tenant, basically, right? Security interest. To purchase a chattel like a manufactured home with insufficient funds, a person may want to use the chattel itself as a security. There are 2 ways to do this. So highlight insufficient fund, right? Seller transfer title on manufactured home to the buyer. Buyer gives a chattel mortgage on the home in exchange for part of the purchase price.
Seller transfer title on manufactured home to the buyer.
The buyer makes installments on the loan. Right? So seller transfer title on home on the buyer, right? Buyer gives a chattel mortgage. Basically chattel is movable, right? In exchange for part of the purchase price, right? The buyer makes installments. Basically you pay some money and you give the installments, right? Buyer purchases the manufactured home under a conditional sales agreement. Highlight conditional. Title remains with the seller until the buyer has made all the payments, after which the title passes to the seller. Basically agreement for sale, right? So you say, okay, I buy for $40,000, I'll pay you $2,000 a month for next 2.5 years, right? After that you transfer. That means. The Personal Property Security Act. Both of these methods of financing are security interests under this act. As of October 1st, 1990, highlight the Personal Property Act and the Sale of Goods on Conditional Act and the Encumbrance Security Provision of the Manufactured Home Act. Basically these are the acts, right? Personal Property Act, Sale of the Goods and Conditional Act, and Manufactured Home Act. The PPSA provides a single form of registration, simpler, more effective. It provides what? Personal property PPSA is a single form of registration. It's more simple. So highlight that. So basically They just simply explain what it is.